Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign out of your Gmail account. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Gmail application. And here, as you can see, right after opening your Gmail application, you'll be on the front page. From the front page, on the top left-hand side corner, you can see a hamburger option. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on the hamburger option on the very end, you can see about two options that are settings and help and feedback. From here, you'll have to tap on settings. Once you have tapped on settings, here you can see all the accounts that you have used in order to log in into your Gmail application. You can see there is a three dots option on the top right hand side corner. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on the three dots, there will be two options, that is manage accounts and help and feedback. Tap on the first option, that is manage accounts. Then once again, all the accounts that you have used or added to your Gmail will be listed here. Tap on the account that you want to log out or sign out of. And once you tapped on it, here you can see your option remove account on the very end. You'll have to simply tap on remove account. Removing your account doesn't delete your account permanently. It will just help you sign out of your Gmail application. Tap on remove and once again here will be a notification pop up, and here it is said that once you remove the account, all the data such as messages and contacts and others will be removed from your account. If you are sure enough you want to sign out of your Gmail, then tap on remove account. And just like that, here as you can see, the account has been deleted. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to sign out of your Gmail application. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.